All right, hey friends, take 170,000. I feel like it has been so long since I've gotten on here and tried to talk to you. Honestly, I've been kind of vocal about it on the other channel, but we're in that season of life where it is rarely quiet, and it's a beautiful thing, but it can be a little tricky, when you do the work that I do. So I finally got a chance to sit here. We'll see if my little guy here allows that to happen, but I just wanted to do a little update. As you can see, I've turned my bed over. I've cleaned my sheets today. The laundry's piling up, but I'm trying to take 5 minutes to fill you all in. We don't have any big updates. There's nothing negative happening, and I just feel overwhelmed, to say the least. So I wanted to, give you an update on that. If any of you are feeling overwhelmed, I'm really sorry. I'm connecting with you there, but it's that season of life, and things have been tricky. And online, sharing things online, that has been very tricky as well. I've always wanted to share our calm and simple life. I've said that before, and he's everywhere, but that's okay. We like a moving baby. Anyways, I've always wanted to share our simple life, and I realized that, 50% of you love that, and then other passerbys really don't like that, or sometimes it's not simple enough, or sometimes you're just not doing it right, and that's the internet nowadays, and I've learned that you can't please them all. So I've really been trying to, release content that brings me joy and brings me calm, but also does that for you. So, from the messages I get and comments I get, I think I am achieving that, but it's just been hard to, portray that theme at this stage. So Mace is 6 months old, if you're new here, and, he's a mover for sure, and we have 3 other kids. My husband works outside of the home, and a lot of what I do is working inside the home. So I specialize in content creation, but recently I've been doing Amazon review videos, and that takes up a lot of my time. That is an income source that I'm really passionate about. I really do love it. I think everybody can do it. I've done it all when it comes to trying to stay home and also bring in an income. Not just for spending money, but simply because we have to. I do have to make an income to make this work, to allow myself to be home with the kids. So, a lot of people may not understand the circumstance, and I understand that myself. So, it's hard. I can't just put the phone down and enjoy the kids every single second of the day as much as I want to. I do have to do this job, we shall say. So that's really where my head's at. I've been trying to share budget recipes and grocery hauls, but we really haven't been getting much. We've just been living off of what's is in the pantries and what I've talked about in emergency situations. And, the snow hit us these last couple of weeks, like most of you. So, some things that have been really working for us is just going through pantry meals and sticking with a starch, a healthy fat, some veggies here and there, and of course a protein. And we keep a lot of the same things in rotation, and I found that helps the best. So I don't know how much time I have here, but I did want to pop on and tell you what's been going on, where my head's at with things, and I do try and upload on the other channel as well. So getting 2 videos out a week seems like a laughable achievement, back in the day. But even that, I'm just like, oh my goodness, this is really challenging. And so many of you are I haven't had any negative, support, any negative comments on that, not being able to get content out. But I know some of you do follow me for the preparedness side of things. And, we are using our preparedness. So I was going to roll some clips of what our weeks have been going like. And we just got back. My dad actually just got married. So we went to his wedding, and it was really beautiful. Kids and I all got dressed up, and we danced and just had a good time, ate some good food. My dad's new wife is just awesome. I've seen him through many seasons, and it's just really great that he's found someone that is his match. It's nice. So yeah, we got back from there, and then we're trying to get settled in here. My husband, you know, will have a few days off, so we probably will make it to like a discount store or maybe a grocery store here and there. And we'll see what we can do. So I may share a recipe in this video. I filmed a few of those, and I really just wanted to put together a few different clips over the last couple of weeks to show you what's been going on, and you know, we'll go from there. I've said recently that my Amazon account is actually linked to this account, and I've been hesitant to do this, but I wanted to release some videos on this channel of reviews that I do. So as an Amazon review video content creator, essentially the gist of it is companies will send a product that they want an honest review on, and I like that. I can be honest about all of the features. It doesn't have to be this overwhelmingly positive scripted review. It is my honest opinion. So they'll send me products, and then I do a review, and then I upload it to Amazon. If you go on my storefront, all of those videos are what my job has been for the last year or so, and recently I've been taking it very seriously. Bless you. Because I need to bring in that income, and I feel that this is the best way after doing it all. So all that to say, I wanted to kind of morph some of those products onto this channel. So you may see some random uploads here and there. And, you know, these videos are 1 minute to 3 minute long, sometimes 5 minutes long. And I wanted to do all of them. I do 5 to 6 products a day on Amazon. So I don't want to overwhelm this channel with, 6 uploads a day. That would be wild. And I don't expect all of you to watch those videos is what I'm saying. But some companies want to make more of a name for themselves on YouTube. A lot of people, myself included, use YouTube as a search engine on how to make something, how to put something together, how to really just see how the product works and how someone feels about it. I use a lot of the social media for that. I'm not really a scroller, but I look into things, I research things, I look at recipes, because I'm a visual learner. That's how I can learn how to do things. So anyways, those products that are sent to me, I would love to just get them uploaded. So I did want to give you a fair warning that that is me. I'm going to be uploading like here and there, like a company sent a generator. So maybe some of you would like to see that. If you don't, that's okay. I don't expect everybody to watch these videos, but these companies do want a place on YouTube. So if someone says, if someone types into YouTube, how does this generator work? They'll land on this page and see that. So this isn't necessarily a reviews channel, but it is, a channel. So I need a place to put these videos, and I've been contemplating which YouTube channel should I put it on, or do I start a whole new one? And I just feel like that would be so much extra work. So I'm going to be choosy about what I upload on here, because sometimes the other day I got women's gloves. Do I think women's gloves has to do with preparedness? Maybe for some of you, it would be helpful in cold scenarios, but I'm going to try and keep it to, preparedness videos or products, or food-related products. So I hope that came out right. There's a lot of movement happening, but I'm going to get dinner started. I'm going to let some clips play from the last week or so. And I'm going to take a little breath because that was 9 minutes of semi-silence. I definitely get an arm workout in with this one, but yeah, I wanted to update all of you. I hope all of you are well, and I just appreciate every single one of you. I know a lot of my videos aren't very cinematic, and I try and be real and realistic as best as I possibly can. So I hope that explains my absence, and I hope you're all doing well wherever you are, and I'll catch you soon. All right, we're gonna roll the clips.
If I had a boat, I would sail out, take every brother and sister of mine. We'd roll in the sunshine and sleep when it's dark, hoping to find somewhere we can call home. But it's black, yeah, it's black. Oh, the water's black. mine, it's all mine. It's mad out there.
All right, here's a little hodgepodge dinner, something quick. We have half a bag of rice here, so not enough for the 6 of us, but we do have quite a bit of wild-caught Alaskan burgers. So I think we have 4 in here. No, we have 3 in here. Then we have 2 in here. I have some peas to use up. I have some green onions, and I have some steamed broccoli. And I figured we could make some salmon and rice with a little bit of soy sauce.
Yeah.
I would do this with canned salmon. You could do it really with any meat, but just something filling. And then serving it with the steamed broccoli, I feel like is helpful. You could add the broccoli to the rice, but not everybody loves broccoli in my family. So we're gonna get that all in a little pan. This is not a wok, but we'll put it all together with some coconut aminos or soy sauce, whatever I have in the fridge shall do. All right, so it does come with quite a bit of oil, so I just fry it in the pan with some soy sauce or whatever, coconut aminos, sometimes just Worcestershire, and then I just break it up like this. I love getting these wild-caught salmon burgers because they are pretty affordable for wild-caught fish, and if you're on the hunt for wild-caught fish, you know that it can be pretty pricey. So these are great, and honestly, you can really bulk it up to have 2 patties work for you, or even, just 1. But you could also use, the canned if you wanted. I'm going to shred this up here, kind of fine like. I have the broccoli steaming over here. And then I just did organic chicken broth too, a little bit of peas, these onions, and I mean, that's what we're having. So might top it with some sriracha mayo and some cucumbers for some cool, but very easy. Really just bulked it up and tried to use up what we had on hand.
Water's black, 'cause it's black, it's all black, black water.
All right, that came together under 20 minutes. Unfortunately, burnt the broccoli when a toddler tantrum was happening. My bad. Anyways, here it is. It's still kind of crisp enough on the bottom. You could add egg to this. That would be really good. So it's like a salmon fried rice, if that makes sense. And then I serve mine with chopped cucumbers just to cool it down because I do have this sriracha mayo. It's just mayo and sriracha. I like the Chosen Food mayo if I'm not making my own. And I just spritz that across there. The kids don't like this, so I just did cucumbers on the side for them. But super yummy, super cheap, and quick. So yay, win-win. Hope that was inspirational.
Yes, black, oh, the water's black, 'cause it's black.